Welcome to the Early Intervention Theory and Practice course. In this course, you will learn the theory and practice in early intervention. Early intervention is a program that provides specialized service and therapy to children with special needs and at risk from birth to preschool age. This program not only aims to improve children's ability and development but also support parents emotionally and socially. In addition, the children's family members are also involved in the program and are guided by professionals in intervention activity at home. A multidisciplinary team of professionals will assess and recommend appropriate activity or treatment for the child collectively with parental consent. This course is an overview of the importance of early intervention for the development of young children with disability. We have Google Meet meeting, e-lessons, e-forum session, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. Finally, it will be a guide in your learning journey and journey towards becoming a better teacher, parent, and administrator. Congratulations for being here with us, and thank you.